Welcome to Hall 12 here at Helitech International 2016, where I'm joined all the way from lovely Nottinghamshire. It is Ed Reckless from CNR. Edward, thanks for agreeing to chat to us today. Tell me a bit about what CNR does.
So CNR is a design firm based in Nottingham, in the UK, and we do third-party design for other people, specialising in automotive and aerospace in the industry sectors. And we've done everything from gearboxes and transmissions on helicopters through to the interior design, sort of actuation systems, hydraulics for seating on aircraft, so business class seating, also some like economy stuff, and structural design, as well as also doing special purpose machinery, things like that. We do design work for cutting and grinding machines, a full range of different things, really.
So you've got a lot of different services there across a number of different industries, but obviously we're talking about helicopters and related industries here today. You've got some stuff on your booth here.
Yeah.
Talk me through what it is that you've got here.
So this is a mock-up of a tail rotor drive shaft, the drivetrain. Obviously on most helicopters it's a lot longer, so this is a system for aligning the couplings and of the shafts, and we call it Atlas. It's automated transmission laser alignment system, and the traditional methods of aligning drivetrains is they use lay straight wire or optical telescopes, and these are very crude old methods that are labour intensive, often require you to dismantle the drivetrain itself, whereas this is a laser system, a bit more cutting edge, and it brings it to the 21st century.
So what sort of time savings do you feel you get overall by using one of these cutting edge systems, up-to-date systems, than using piano wire?
Well, for two technicians, using piano wire can take up to a week to do for a multi-shaft thing, so we can save that. We can bring that down to one technician in about 4 or 5 hours.
Goodness me, that's a huge saving. Very easy to work that out. Let's take a look over here, because you've got another bit of kit on display here. This is an actuator.
Electro-hydraulic actuator, yeah. Electro-hydraulic, meaning that it's self-contained, and this is originally designed for a business class, first class seating environment, where they'll have 6 to 8 of these operating all modes of travel. So you can go from upright, take off a landing, all the way down to fully reclined when you're going to sleep, kind of thing. And this is lighter than a legacy actuator. It's more reliable, and it's smoother ride. It's not as noisy, and it also uses less power. So all of those savings, make it more reliable, more attractive, and the small savings in weight, when you multiply it by the numbers in a seat, by the number of seats on an aircraft, by the number of aircraft in a fleet, you end up saving millions on fuel.
Weight is money, as we know. I mean, what sort of degree of additional lightness or additional weight are you shedding with an actuator like this?
On a seat, we're looking about hopefully about 20% down on what it would be with a legacy actuator. And
even in a 6-seat cockpit or something like that gets multiplied out. And how many of these would you have in a typical seat?
Between 6 and 8, depending on how much travel you want on the seat. Yeah, but it's quite a few.
Good stuff. This is your first time ever at Helitech as an exhibitor. Tell me about that. Why have you made the plunge?
So we visited in the past, had a wander around, met exhibitors, found out what the show's like, and yeah, with the launch of our Atlas product a couple of years ago, that is, obviously we're trying to get that out into the marketplace, people to see it and see the benefits that it offers, which we believe it really does. And the best way to do that is to exhibit and show it. Give it live demonstration rather than talking about it. We can actually show what it does and how easy it is to use.
Brilliant. Well, Edward, thank you very much for bringing a bit of the Robin Hood spirit all the way from the East Midlands in the UK to Amsterdam with us today. I hope you have a great rest of show and look forward to seeing you again next year.
Yeah, thank you very much. Cheers.